You want free AI videos? Watch this real quick.
First thing you'll need is any AI chat box, so you can write out in exact detail to tell it what kind of image you want. Make sure you tell your chat box you want it to create a prompt for Meta AI to create an image for you. I already have my command written out and just going to copy it into the chat box and leave it on the screen for a few, so you can read it all and get an idea of what exactly to tell your chat box you want. Copy the entire prompt and open up your web browser. Type Meta AI into Google and click on the first result, which says Meta AI. When it opens up, click on Create. Then head down to the aspect ratio and change it to Portrait 16:9. Now paste your AI chatbox prompt into Meta AI and click Send. 4 images are now being generated for you to choose from. Meta AI has now fully generated your images from your detailed text. If you're completely satisfied with your images, you can hover your cursor over your chosen image and simply click on Animate, and just like magic, your still image will turn into a fully movie video. Now save the videos you like and want to use. You can create entire videos simply from the step-by-step guide I just showed you, with absolutely no restrictions. No watermarks, no credits, and no limits to how many images you can generate. Just remember to give your AI chatbox very detailed and specific instructions as to what you want to generate. I hope this tutorial has helped you. If so, please like and subscribe.